Hi everyone, and welcome to Bonnie's Kitchen, and I'm so glad you joined me today. It's Friday, and for us in Canada, we're heading into the Thanksgiving weekend, and with that is family gathering, whether it's one or two or a house full. For me, it's just the delights of the kitchen, pumpkin pie, apple crisp, the smell of spices, turkey, ham. It goes on, doesn't it? And I'm so thankful that I am able to share so many things with you. And today is just a fun, easy dessert. And if you look at this, it is a cupcake, but I turned the top into a turkey. Yes, a turkey. And this is something that you can do just for yourself. You could do it with the grandkids and just have a fun time just decorating a cupcake for Thanksgiving or Christmas, any holiday season. I started with just this cupcake is chocolate with chocolate icing. You could use a white batter with white icing, whatever you want, and it's just simple decorating. On top, I use chocolate icing, and you can make your own icing or do it simple. Go and buy the pre-made icing, especially with your working with kids. Sometimes it's just the simple things. It's just the putting together that's the fun. So there you go. Our Thanksgiving turkey cupcake. So come on in the kitchen and join me and see how I assemble these fun treats for all ages. So I headed to my bulk barn, and at my bulk barn I bought some of these googly eyes candies and some jelly beans. I picked up some mini Reese's Pieces mini cups, and of course I'll take the foil off that, and corn candy, that will be his feathers, and then gummy worms, and I cut them in half. I tried my best to pick out the orange ones. This is for the gobbler that hangs down at the side of the turkey's under his neck, so that's to imitate that. And if you want to throw in some Reese's Pieces for for any added decoration, go for it. I didn't use them today. And your icing. I just made a simple icing with butter, icing sugar, a bit of cocoa, milk. I added a little bit at a time till I had the right consistency, and then I put the turkey together. Okay, so let's have some simple fun that the kids can do, or you can do them just for fun. With my cupcake, I'm going just to put a good amount of chocolate icing. And I've got the corn candy. Just stick them in, that's his feathers. And you can do as many rows as you want. You know how their feathers fan up at the back. And then with a chocolate, a mini Reese's cup, put that in the middle. Just paint a little bit of, you know what, this is fun. This is just fun stuff. Just so that the eyes will stick. And I've got a jelly bean for his nose. And one of these little, it's a gummy worm for his gobbler. You know, those things that go under his. How cute is that? So I'm going to finish icing the rest of these. I hope you enjoyed this. Happy Thanksgiving to all of you, all of my subscribers, all the people that watched me. I'm thankful for you, and I share my life with you. I share my thoughts, my baking, and the crafts and gardening I do, and I thank you for always taking the time. I'm thankful for you. We have to be thankful for all we have here. Some don't have a lot, some have a lot, and they're not thankful. But I am thankful that we have this time together, and I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving and enjoy every minute of every day. God bless you till we see each other again. Bye for now.